Okay, CL 7-118, Aha and Emily were riding their skateboards. They knew that they could ride 3 miles in 20 minutes. Use your problem solving strategies to find out how far the girls can ride in 45 minutes. Okay, this looks like a simple proportion problem. And remember, proportions are just two ratios that are equivalent. We could write one ratio with this information, 3 miles every 20 minutes. And then what we're trying to figure out is, well, how far can they go in 45 minutes? And to do that, we'll just go ahead and write the ratio. 3 miles for every 20 minutes equals, okay, remember the 3 we're talking about miles, the 20 we're talking about minutes. So we know how many minutes the girls went. They could go, they went for 45 minutes, or we want to know about 45 minutes. Okay, now we have to figure out what how far that is, and we'll call that x. We could say let x represent number of miles. Okay, so we know the 3 strategies. We can either use the giant one, we can do undoing division, or we can use cross multiplication, or the fraction busters. Cross multiplication. In this case, I think it might be easiest to just get rid of this divided by 45 and use the undoing division strategy. Okay, so what that means that this x over 45, we're thinking that it's x divided by 45. And okay, to get rid of this divide by 45, we use the inverse operation. Inverse of division is multiplication, so we're going to multiply by 45. Okay, and let's go ahead and just do a work here. We're going to multiply by 45. We're going to multiply this by 45. Okay, and so that the next step, I'm going to write that down just over here. 45, we're going to have 45 times 3 from here. 45 times 3, this is really 45 over 1, and then over 20 equals, okay, well, we had the divide by 5 times 45, so the 45's cancel out, so we just have that equal x. Okay, 45 times 3 is 135 over 20 equals x. I know 135, 20 goes into 135 6 times, and we'll have 15 left over out of 20. So that's going to be 6 3/4 equals x. So let's go ahead and write a statement. In 45 minutes, the girls will go 6 3/4 or 6 75/100 miles.